Hello friends and welcome back to Virtual Happy Hour. It is Tuesday. I've heard it's hot outside. I haven't been outside yet, but based on the humidity in my hallway, it's a scorcher out there, guys. It's a scorcher. I will find out after this as I head for a little park picnic situation. If you see me, I'll be the one in the hat. Also wearing a green top and navy shorts. And a lot of sunscreen, I know I look a little bit bronzed. That's thanks to Saint-Tropez. This is not my real skin tone. I am like a lightly blue undertone, thanks to my Irish heritage. I feel like we're getting a lot of reflection off my new glasses, but I just wanted to wear them because I'm obsessed. But I'm gonna take them off so we don't get so much reflection, but we've accomplished the purpose of showing you the glasses. We are making a little cucumber dill gin sour situation, a cucumber dill gimlet, if you will. We're gonna be muddling. I was gonna do a martini, but then I realized I would have had to like do an infusion on the spirit or something to get the dill really in there without a muddler for stirred drink. Any hoosies. We're gonna start by peeling off a couple of ribbons of our cucumber. As you can see, I have this little baby cuke, micro cuke. Okay, that one looks good. We need some ribbons for our garnish at the end. Don't forget, Father's Day is coming up on Sunday, June 20th. And if you're looking for a gift that is better than a tie and whatever you got him last year, get him a ticket to my Chef's Paradise Live cocktail class on Saturday, June 26th. So you can give it to him on Father's Day. You can do it together. Family affair. Good for dads, good for daddies. Call me daddy. You know. And then also go and get your cocktail kit, which includes all of the ingredients that you need for the class from Bar From Afar. So it's on linked in my bio, both the class tickets and the Bar From Afar kit. So it's 3 bourbon cocktails. You will get your bourbon, you will get your syrups, you will get your other juices and whatnot. Everything that you need that I have designed just for your and your dad's enjoyment. Again, or your daddy's. So we're putting in sort of like about a 1/4 cup of diced cukes into my shaker tin. I'm using my lemongrass syrup that I have helpfully prepped from my free, yes, still free, Fresh from the Garden cocktail book, ebook, linked in my bio. Please download it if you haven't already. Putting in 3/4 of an ounce of this lemongrass syrup. If you don't have this ready, because you haven't downloaded it yet, just go ahead, get out the cat o' nine tails, just punish yourself, okay? Because I'm not there to do it for you. But punish yourself or use simple syrup, but preferably both, okay? Heavy muddle, I got my good muddler, my monogrammed muddler back that I had left at a friend's house about a year ago. But since she's waxed, and her friends are waxed and vaxxed and waxed, starting to see people outside again now that we're allowed to do that. It's very exciting for me as an extrovert. Because I know I'm bringing a lot of energy, but we're not actually in the same room. So when that happens again, holy fuck, I am excited. I'd like to also just say I would love to always use captions. I am all about accessibility, but Instagram makes it hard. They make it really hard. Every time I swear, they bleep it out. No one wants a bleep. And then when I try to correct the bleep, which you can, it just repeats the same story frame over again. So I'm taking kind of a small handful of fresh dill, putting that in there as well. Now we muddle again, like Friday, muddling in stages. We're muddling lighter muddle on the dill because it's a very delicate herb compared to the real heavy metal mash that we did on the cucumber. So now, because I like lemon and dill a bit better than lime and dill, I'm gonna do 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon for the sour component in this gimlet. And then top that with 3/4 of an ounce, or sorry, just a 1/4 ounce of lime. I'm just gonna do this all at once. Hopefully this will be successful. I didn't post the ingredients earlier today because I just moments ago figured out what I wanted to make for you. I was talking to my friends earlier about when people get your name wrong, and one of the best things about coming to my cocktail classes with Chef's Paradise is that you can't fuck it up, because the first rule of cocktail class is that you call me Professor Tipple. I only respond to Professor Tipple. If you call me by any other name, you will be excused from the class. But that's really helpful for you because most people cannot master the proper enunciation of the name Yvonne. Say it with me together now. Are you ready? Yvonne. I have to stress the E when I tell people because almost everyone, including every one of my 10 coworkers who I've worked with for 3 years, they do not say my name right. I am not over it. We're gonna have to have another talk. Love you guys, but you know, say my name. They call me Yvonne, or Yvonne, or Yvonne, but it's Yvonne, but it's not like that. I'm just stressing that the pronunciation of the first syllable is an E sound. It's actually just Yvonne, or en français Yvonne, if you'd prefer. I do respond to the French pronunciation of my name as well. It's a little sexier. Shake it, shake it, shake it like a feeling it. Double strain, because we don't want our little dill frondies in our drink. And this tedious business, trying to get past all the cukes. I'm glistening. I am glistening. Come on. There you go. You did it. Nailed it. Okay, now we take our favorite cucumber ribbon and we turn it, accordion it on itself. I don't know if we've done this garnish before, it's very easy. If you want more, you can do it a second time. Cocktail pick. Skewer it through the middle. I'm going to do another one. For good measure, you see. Good measure. Where should I go on vacay when we're allowed to go somewhere else in Canada? Cucumber ribbon. Do I want a dill frond as well? Is that extra? I think it's fine. I think we're going to do both. Cheers! Cucumber dill gimlet. Can you see my cucumber ribbon? Again, YouTube thumbnail. Show the cleavage. Subscribe. It's very nice. Quite refreshing. Fresh from the garden, if you will. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you on Friday for another raucous installment of Virtual Happy with Happy Hour. Virtual Happy Hour with Professor Tipple or Yvonne.